Welcome to class 10 on Vedic mathematics. Sopantya Advaya Mantyam, which means the ultimate and twice the penultimate. This sutra helps with the multiplication of any number by 12 through 19 with ease and speed. It also helps with solving quadratic equations. This sutra is a special case of multiplication by numbers just above 10. The idea is to break the multiplier into 10 plus the excess over the 10. Then apply the sutra's rule step by step. In short, for multiplying any number by 12 through 9, use Sopantya Advaya Mantyam, the ultimate and twice the penultimate, to speed up the mental calculations. Now let's understand why the sutra works. The sutra essentially applies the distributive property. Where k is the excess over 10, for example, 1 for 11, 2 for 12, and so on. The twice and the penultimate step is a Vedic shortcut for effectively computing the second part of the multiplication. Now let's understand the sutra with the help of an example. Here we have 32 times 12, where 32 is the multiplicand and 12 is the multiplier. So we start by writing the multiplicand with a leading 0 and a trailing 0. So here we add a 0 in front of 3 and a 0 after 2. Now we need to identify the ultimate and the penultimate digit. So our ultimate digit is the last digit, which is 0, and the penultimate digit is the previous digit, which is 2. After this, we apply the sutra. So the units place would be ultimate plus 2 times the penultimate. The tens place digit would be penultimate digit plus 2 times the previous digit. And 100 place would be the previous digit plus 2 times its previous digit to the left side. Now let's get back to our example. So 32 into 12. So here, as we identified, our ultimate is 0, ultimate digit is 0, and the penultimate digit is 2. So we'll apply the sutra. So here our units place would be 0 plus 2 times 2, which is 4, and the tens place is 2 times plus 2 into 3, which is 8, followed by hundreds place, which is 3 plus 2 times 0, which is 3. And joining all the three numbers, we get 384 as our answer. Let's see another example. Here we are multiplying 107 with 12. So our multiplicand is 107 and our multiplier is 12. So we start by writing a leading and a trailing 0 to our multiplicand. So we start with a 0 in front and at the end. So we then identify our ultimate and penultimate digit. So ultimate would be 0 and penultimate is 7. So applying the sutra, the units place is 0 into 0 plus 2 times 7, which is 14, followed by tens place, which is 7 plus 2 times 0, 7. Hundreds place is 0 plus 2 times 1, which is 2. Thousands place is 1 plus 2 times 0, which is 1. And the 10,000s place is going to be a 0. So now writing these numbers 1, 2, 7, 14, we see that the units place has got 2 digits. So we add the extra digit to the next level. So by applying the balancing rule, so we have 4, 8, 2, 1. So the answer to this problem is 1284. Let's see another example. 3421 times 12. So here our multiplicand is 3421. We start with adding a leading and the trailing 0 to our multiplicand. So 0, 3, 4, 210. And then applying the sutra, so we start with the units place. So units place would be 1 times 2 plus 0. Tens place, which is equal to 2. Tens place is 2 times 2 plus 1. Hundreds place is 2 times 4 times 2 plus 2. Thousands place is and 10,000s place is, so we write down these numbers as follows, and then since we have more than a single digit in a place value, we apply the balancing technique. So the final answer is going to be 41052. Here, let's see another example. We have 7101976 with multiplied by 12. So we begin with adding a 0 in the beginning and at the end of our multiplicand. So our units place would be 6 into 2 plus 0, which is equal to 12. Tens place 7 into 2 plus 6. So 14 plus 6 is 20. Hundreds place is 9 into 2 plus 7. So 18 plus 7 is 25. Thousands place is 1 into 2 plus 9, which is equal to 11. 10,000s place is 0 into 2 plus 1, which is 1. 100,000s is 1 into 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2. And the millions place would be 7 into 2 plus 1, which is 15. And 10 millions now write these numbers down. So I have 7 followed by 15 followed by 2, 1, 11, 25, 20, and then 12. So applying the balancing technique, I have 2 followed by 1, 7, 3, 2, 2 again, 5, and 8. So the product is 8, 5, 2, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2. Now let's multiply 5,768 with 13. Here our multiplicand is 5,768 while the multiplier is 13. So we apply the same process. We start by adding a 0 in front of 5 and at the end of 8, and we apply the same steps. So for the units place, it's going to be 8 times 3 plus 0, which is 24. Tens place, it is 6 times 3 plus 8. So 18 plus 8 is 26. Hundreds place is 7 times 3 plus 6, 27. Thousands place is 5 times 3 plus 7, 22. 10,000s place is 0 times 3 plus 5, which is equal to 5. So write down the numbers like 27, 26, and 24. Applying the balancing rule. So we have 4, 8, 9, 4, and 7. So the answer to this problem is 74,984. Let's see another example. Here we have 3,456 multiplied by 14. So we add a leading and the trailing 0 to our multiplicand, which is 3,456. So our units place would be 6 times 4 plus 0, which is 24. Tens place is 5 times 4 plus 6, which is 26. Hundreds place is 4 times 4 plus 5, 21. Thousands place is 3 times 4 plus 4, 16. And 10,000s is 0 times 4 plus 3. Again, write down the numbers as below. So 3, 16, 21, 26, and 24. Apply the balancing technique. So 4, 8, 3, 8 again, and 4. So here, the answer to this problem is 48,384. Let's see another example. Here we have 4,628 multiplied by 15. So our multiplicand is 4,628. We begin with adding a leading and the trailing 0 to our multiplicand. And our units place digit would be 8 times 5 plus 0, 40. Tens place is 2 times 5 plus 8. 18. Hundreds place is 6 times 5 plus 2, 32. Thousands place is 4 times 5 plus 6, 26. And 10,000s place is 0 times 5 plus 4, which is 4. So write down the numbers as below and apply the balancing technique since we have more than a single digit in our place value. So 0 followed by 12. That's 1 plus 4, 9, 6. So the answer is 69,420. Let's see another example. Here we have our multiplicand as 7,635 multiplied by the multiplier 16. So as usual, we begin with adding a 0 in the beginning and at the end of our multiplicand. And then the units place would be 5 times 6 plus 0. Tens place is 3 times 6 plus 5. Hundreds place 6 times 6 plus 3. Thousands place 7 times 6 plus 6. And the 10,000s place is 0 times 6 plus 7, which is 7. So 7, 48, 39, 23, and 30. Apply the balancing technique. So we have 0 followed by 6, 11, carry. Again, 4 plus 8 is 12, carry. 5 plus 7 is again 12. So 112,160 is the answer to this problem. We now have 8,421 multiplied by 17, where our multiplicand is 8,421. So we begin with adding a leading and the trailing 0 to our multiplicand. And we then apply the sutra. So our units place digit is 1 times 7 plus 0. Tens place is 2 times 7 plus 1. Hundreds place is 4 times 7 plus 2. Thousands place is 8 times 7 plus 4. 10,000s place is 0 times 7 plus 8, which is 8. So 8, 60, 30, 15, 7. So we drop 7, 5, 1, 3, and 14. So the answer to this problem is 143157. We have another example, 6,112 multiplied by 18. Our multiplicand here is 6,112. So we begin with adding a leading and a trailing 0 to our multiplicand and then apply the sutra. So here our units place is 2 times 8 plus 0. Tens place is 1 times 8 plus 2. hundreds place is 1 times 8 plus 1. Thousands place is 6 times 8 plus 1. And 10,000s place is 0 times 8 plus 6. So write down the numbers as below: 9, 10, 16. Apply the balancing technique. So we have 6, 1, 0, 0 again. So I have 1, and this is 11. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 6 is the answer to this problem. We have one last example in this category. So here we are trying to multiply 6,235 with 19. Our multiplicand is 6,235. So we begin with adding a leading and a trailing 0 to our multiplicand and apply the sutra. So our units place would be 5 times 9 plus 0. Tens place is 3 times 9 plus 5, 2732. Hundreds place is 2 times 9 plus 3, 18 plus 3, 21. Thousands place 6 times 9 plus 2, 56. And 10,000s place is 0 times 9 plus 6, 6. Again, by applying the balancing technique, we have 5, 6, 4, 8, and then 11. So the answer to this problem is 118465. With a slight variation, we use this method to multiply numbers by 21, 31, 41, all the way up to 91. This method applies to multipliers that end in 1, like as I mentioned, 21, 31, 41, all the way up to 91. Let's see another example, 49 times 21. So here our multiplier is ending in 1. So this sutra is suitable for this problem, and our multiplicand is 49. So we just add a leading 0 to our multiplicand, and our units place value will be the units place value of the multiplicand, so which is 9. And for the tens place, we are going to multiply our units place with 2 and add our tens place. So we have 18 plus 4, which is 22. And for the hundreds place, we're going to multiply tens place with 2 and add the 0. So we have 8. So 8 followed by 22 and then 9. So drop 9, drop 2, add this. So the answer to this problem is 1029. Let's see another example. We have 3465 multiplied by 31. Our multiplier is ending in 1. So this sutra is applicable for solving this kind of a problem. And we begin with adding a 0 in front of the multiplicand. And for the units place, we are going to drop 5, which is the units place of the multiplicand. For the tens place, we are going to multiply 5 times 3 plus 6, which is 15 plus 6, 21. For the hundreds place, it's going to be 6 times 3 plus 4, 22. 12 plus 3, 15. 10,000s place, it's 3 times 3 plus 0, 9. So 9 followed by 15, 22, 21, and 5. So we apply the balancing technique. So the answer to this problem is 107415. Let's see another example in this category. So we are trying to multiply 4,635 with 71. So our multiplicand is 4635. So we add a 0 in front of it. And our multiplier is ending in 1. So the sutra is applicable. Our units place is going to be 5, same as the units place of the multiplicand, followed by the tens place. So 5 times 7 plus 3, so 35 plus 3, 38. For hundreds place, it's 3 times 7 plus 6. So 21 plus 6, 27. For thousands place, it's 6 times 7 plus 4, 42 plus 4, 46. For 10,000s, it is 4 times 7 plus 0, 28. So 28 followed by 46, 27, 38, and 5. So drop 5, 8, 0, 1, 9, 12, 3. So 329085 is the answer to this problem. Let's see one last example in this category. So we have 4263 multiplied by 91. Our multiplicand is 4263. So we begin with adding a 0 in front of it. And our multiplier is 91, which is ending in 1. So the sutra is applicable. So our units place is going to be the units place of the multiplicand, which is 3. We drop 3 as is. For the tens place, we multiply 3 times 9 plus 6. So 27 plus 6 is 33. Hundreds place is 6 times 9 plus 2, 54 plus 2, 56. For thousands place, 2 times 9 plus 4. So 18 plus 4, 22. For 10,000s, it is 4 times 9 plus 0, 36. So write down the numbers and apply the balancing technique. So 3, 3, 9, 7, 8, 3. So the answer is 387933. With this, we conclude today's session. Thank you for joining, and we'll continue in the next class.